Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It costs nothing but helps support a small YouTuber. This week's video is something I have been so excited about. I can't believe it's happening. It to me is like every girl's dream. It's not very often that you get to have a house with your very own dressing room. Not that I am talking myself up or like, this house has lots of little bits that aren't so great about it, but it definitely has a couple of perks. I very much had to lower my expectations in terms of having, you know, we built our house, it was our old house, sorry, so it was brand new and everything was new, easy to clean. So we had to sort of like meet in the middle in order to get where we wanted to be. But one of the amazing perks of this place is that it has a dressing room area which is off the master. It's also got a walk-in robe for my husband and a bathroom that desperately needs renovating. But anyway, back to what we're talking about. I'm so excited for this week's video. Stay tuned to see how we have renovated this area with a budget under $2,000. We did get this quoted up by a few people and it was around the 4,000 mark. So we have more than halved what it would have cost to get it done professionally. We got it done in a weekend. A very, very busy weekend. It was hectic. So anyway, guys, let's check it out. Let's get this party started. Woohoo! Here we go, IKEA time. My favorite place. So these are the chest of drawers I went with, the mirror, drawer dividers, mirrors for the wall, and some decor. It's so hard to pick decor to style when you haven't got the room in place yet. When I got to here, I was all gonna be independent woman, and these boxes were so freaking heavy. I ended up having to get some help. My Hyundai Santa Fe is an absolute truck. I can fit anything in it. So as you guys would have seen in my previous video what my dressing room looked like before, I'll also put a comment in the section below with the link. So we started painting on the Friday. I declared to my husband that I would do the cutting in only and he would do the rolling, because I am not good at rolling, but I have all the time and day for cutting in, so that's what we did. It's just amazing what a fresh coat of paint can do and how it just changes the room. So Saturday morning, straight into making the dresser. I really wanted to complete this whole room with no help from my husband whatsoever. Just to, I don't know, it was almost a challenge to myself. I did the most part. He helped with the setting up of the frame for the wardrobe and doing the mirrors on the wall and drilling the shelves and the other mirror. Yeah, he did quite a bit. But anyways, I did all this stuff, okay? That's all that matters. So the dresser is done and now I am just finishing the chest of drawers. The only thing I noticed though is that I'm so slow when it comes to making this stuff. I think because I have to read the instructions like 6 times before I do the next step, just because I know that if I don't do that, I'll end up missing a step or doing the wrong thing and then having to undo something. So I really make sure that I have really checked it before I start that step. Also, our drill is so heavy that it actually takes me longer to drill than what it does to use a screwdriver. I want to get a lady drill that is not so heavy. So now I am making all the drawers for the wardrobe. Kids are taking it in turns on the computer, staying out of Mama's way because Mama needs to concentrate. Zach can have all 3 kids with him when he is building a flat pack, getting them to help screw them in, getting him to do this, getting him to do that. I can't. I need to be 100% focused. This is my chair that I picked up from Fantastic Furniture. I was absolutely knackered by the time I got to this point. So that's the finished product of what it's going to look like. So not long after here, Zach took over for the most part. So this is all in one day. This is still the same day, the Saturday. Sunday morning, he put the drawers in for me. Now to do a little bit of styling. That is my white fusion plant that I had been dreaming of. Absolutely love it. And also a neon potho. These candles and candle holders are from IKEA. They were actually for long skinny candles, but I just turned them upside down and have used them to hold the battery operated LED. This tray table I picked up for $29 from Fantastic Furniture. Perfect little spot for my Bambino Figgle Fig. He is absolutely loving that spot and thriving. Now on to the mirror. There we go, ladies and gents. That is my dressing room. So stoked with how it all came together. So what do you think, guys? If you like it, please give this video a thumbs up. This is not a professional job. This is just my vision of how I wanted it to look. Things aren't exactly perfect, but I think hubby and I did a really good job in what we got done. This is to my taste. I'm not a stylist. I just like my little things and put my own little twist on it, all under a budget. I just have to add also that of all the flat packs that I have done since moving into this house, and there's been a lot, I've had Bunnings flat packs, I've had Kmart flat packs, and I have to say that IKEA flat packs by far are my favorite. The instructions are so easy to read. They just make everything easier. I don't know what it is. I feel like Kmart flat packs are, the instructions aren't that great to read. I feel like there's more pieces, and IKEA furniture just seems more sturdier. So I found putting this together, the hardest part to do was the actual frame of the wardrobe. That's because it was just so big and so heavy. I did get my husband to help me with that. I could not do that by myself. And after that day, I did the dresser, obviously the chest of drawers and all the drawers for the wardrobe. I was absolutely knackered, but it was so rewarding. It's been so rewarding. So everything you see here is from IKEA except for the chair and the table tray and also these shelves up here. Again, all for under $2,000 when we were quoted $4,000-ish from other places. What I also liked about updating this room was the fact that I was going to add some more plants. I added two. One was on my wish list. It's the white infusion Galathea. I just love that plant so much. My fiddle fig has got prime position here for the sun and he is loving it. So that's the end of my video, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed watching this and you like what I've done with the place. Please give me a thumbs up and give me a comment below to let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next one.